Play the Eddie AI stream or song. What up, chat? Dude, look at this level like to a T, bro. This is beautiful. Is easy and turbo or cooked? Yeah, GC setting up for a nice shorts. Super interesting. Yeah, honestly, I don't mind longing NQ up to this level. It's so bullish. I don't even want to try shorting this yet, but like, I'd love to see this level get taken out. That's about 40 points. So getting a setup on this would be not bad. The only thing is like, I want to see like a big sweep here. Like a key sweep before we look for a break of structure. Right? Like we want a key sweep, and on the 4 hour, there's just not ideal. There's not really a real sweep. So that sweep would be this level. So I want this, but that's again, like we've swept all this internal, bro. So that the real level is a 7-10 level that we'd come up to sweep before we get some mean reversal shorts. We have caught some of these levels for a while, but yeah, this would be a pretty mean short, bro. Definitely don't want to short this until we get a continuation break of structure. So because this right here, when we got this break of structure, here was your retest on the 5 minute. Like that was like pretty fucking to the T. But I don't think you want to short because we haven't swept any actual big internal structure. So if anything right now, we're waiting for some sort of pullback for some sort of longs. Then it'd be a little bit more ideal. I think this is a better trade. But trying to take that pullback is kind of silly. If this 15 closes above, I'm just going to go ahead and take the longs. Not going to even wait for a pullback. We're just so strong right now to the upside. Music never gets any better, no. We can either just have no music or just play like... I really am not even paying attention to the music. I just want to focus on trading. I feel like I really just want to be able to focus on trading. Let's go hang out with Shinobi. It's okay, Twin. I got banned on TikTok too. Bro, TikTok is pretty crazy. What's good, Jake? Wow. I'm so dumb, bro. Bro, what the fuck is this? Chill, 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 chill. Bro, wrong link. My fault, my fault. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I just need, like, bro, I just need another payout, man. Maybe that's why. I'm just not feeling good because I haven't gotten a payout. I want a fat payout, bro. Wow, it's rejecting this 15 really well. We're finally starting to reject, but I don't want to start shorting NQ like just yet. Even though we got this break of structure, we're just not, we haven't swept any actual, like, I mean, we swept this high, but it was all the way down here. So we don't have an actual high that we're sweeping for me to want to take any shorts yet. There's no real high. So unless we're just tapping into, like, it's not even an OT of the range, like there should be a clear draw above us, but maybe we just have to ignore that fact. You know what? I'd like to take these on my apexes. I feel like I need a win on, like, some real money right now. I need, like, real money to be traded right now, or else I won't feel good about myself. Wow, to the fucking tick, the 705.
Order filled. Yo.
Yo, dude, did you just bottom tick this?
As of right now, yeah.
Alright, I just chased it.
Bro, I would rather have this Umbreon than this trade go green, bro, if I'm being honest.
Chill. I'm in 55 micros right now.
Why? On what account?
On my apexes.
Your PAs?
Yeah.
You're taking a Shinobi, then you're up like 1,000.
No, I chased it. I literally was logging my accounts when I got into it. I'm risking 200 on this trade pretty much, so 2K. I'm targeting that 4-hour high.
Bro.
631.
You guys didn't get filled either? Bro, half of my chat didn't get filled.
It was like to the T. Bro, it could go to 710 at some point if I just held these overnight potentially. I think this continues higher, bro.
I think so too. I think it goes to the next 4-hour high. I think I have it marked out to like in the 700s somewhere.
Yeah, it's 710. Well, there's an internal high at 631. Which is the
I'm not.
4-hour high.
Yeah, we'll see though. Yeah, I'm not worried about the internal high.
So you think it should go straight to 710 type shit?
Yeah. But I don't know if it'll be from this level or something else.
I think what's nice about this trade is that this 4-hour candle has been kind of doing nothing. It's a 62-minute 4-hour, 62.4-hour candle. So
Yeah, that's not really a lot.
all right, guys, I'm gonna keep one of these open, but as you guys can see, we are in 11 of these. We're across 11 accounts right now.
You live too?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, nice move so far.
Yeah, I wish I got in.
None of you guys got filled because none of you guys are Top Step live traders, bro. I don't know what you guys want me to do, bro. That's just what me and the other Top Step live traders be on, bro. We get filled because we trade live markets, bro.
No, do you know what's funny?
Which actually doesn't make sense.
You if you don't mark out to body, you mark out to wick, you get filled on it.
Mm-hmm.
The level is 750.
Yeah,
it was 57, 571.5.
Mm. Glad you're not the only one that got filled. See, that's the nice part about watching the streams. When we win together, and if, you know, something unfortunate happens, everyone's in it together. It's like a sense of camaraderie. Do not ask me to spell the word camaraderie. I low-key want to go break even on this trade here.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going break even. My break even's different from yours though. If I was you, I would just keep your stop at that low.
Yeah, your break even's like.
My break even's the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So just have an 8-point stop.
Oh, you think I should move to break even?
No, I'm just saying have like an 8-point stop. Have your stop at the low.
Or that's what I meant.
It shouldn't Yeah, it shouldn't revisit. Guys, we opened all these packs and there was nothing in here, bruv. Holy shit.
I'm just trying to see.
Leave
if
it to
there's a
prismatic,
reason
bro.
why there we would revisit it. Oh well, whatever. Even if there is a reason, we'll just get stopped out here. We'll take the loss if we get stopped out here. So we will move it to the low. We'll risk $90 on this trade, or 80 something dollars, whatever it is.
Oh, you said 55 micros across all your accounts. I thought you meant just on that, like on per account.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, no, dude, you're stupid, dude.
What do you mean, bro? That's a lot.
I know. I thought you were. I was like panicking. I was like, oh shit, he's up 10 points and he's not taking it.
Oh no. Like my first TP, like I'll technically make 3.3k, which is a lot for me.
All right, guys, we're opening up this big boy now.
GC's ripping. Yeah, I wouldn't, bro. Honestly, you guys know me. I'm the biggest fan of shorts, bro. All I want to do is short. But there's clearly something above us that we're heading for, or else the shit.
You also got to remember, the market moves 90% of the time. It moves. The market's designed to go up. So if you only ever long the market, you'd be better off than trying to short and long and short and long. If you're the type of person who just only ever long the market, you would have a better win rate than someone who tries shorting and longing.
Damn,
just
I
saying.
Fucking knew that. That's crazy to have a 90% win rate, and that if I just long, I'd probably have like a 190% win rate. That's crazy.
Yeah, the day you have a 100% win rate is the day I actually circumcise myself.
Yo, gold is ripping. I think.
Usually it's not, but they've been moving in correlation recently.
Oh yeah. Follow the trend and what is actually going on. Now what you feel like doing. Well, that's what trading is. Quite literally trading exactly what you feel.
Last set of prismatic packs, guys. Let's hope for a good one here. Please give me an SIR, bro. Not even like enjoying opening these right now because I'm just getting touched so badly.
Bro, what you need to
Literally.
do is become one of those like Pokemon like TikTokers and just create a whole new channel for that and then dedicate like building a fan base on there.
I was thinking about it, but I decided against it.
Why?
Cause, bro.
How much would you risk per trade in a 50k Lucid? Eval or flex? Or eval or funded? Eval, like 500 a trade. First trade, go for a 1 to 3. Move break even after
Someone
a 1 to 1.
someone my chat said 50 minis. I agree with him, Loki.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you could also just full port that bitch, but I would say 500. 500, go for a 1 to 3. You half pass it, or you lose 500. Next trade, you risk 500. Another 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. And you're pretty much there. But I mean, look at the trades I'm taking, right? So like, these are the type of trades. This is a 15R trade. This shit is probably not going to play out full TP, but we can hope. You banned from TikTok? Yeah, I am right now. Can you please explain why your bias is long? Because I'm thinking shorts. There's just longer or like higher time frame, like levels above us that I think we need to reach. I don't believe in this breaker structure right here. We don't really.
It's sad that Eddie's friends with someone who rug pulls crypto coins and makes over 70k from a WAP a month. Shame. More guilty by the day. Who the fuck are you, bro? Rug pulls a crypto coin, never did that. Make 70k from Discord, definitely don't. I wish I did though. If I did, bro.
Wait, what's the guy's name?
Why is this card upside down, bro? Oh, dude, did I get a repackaged fucking bullshit? That's crazy. Shaka 750.
I don't know who that is.
Yeah, no, dude, he probably went off a burner. Let's see what his YouTube entails. He really made a stand with that one. The Alpha Wolf 655 is his fucking Discord. Let's see. He has his Instagram on here. Let's see what he's up to, bro.
Bruv. Who you on a call with? Trying to watch him rip? The big Benobi.
Oh, I'm not showing the stream.
Oh, you're not ripping.
Yeah.
Should we just go rip packs on rips, or whatever it's called?
What was that? Oh, on Triumph.
Triumph.
You know what's crazy? That's where I made most of my bread from. Like on the Pokemon cards, that's like where I made most of it.
Really?
Yeah. Bro, this dude's a little kid. This dude hating is literally a little fucking kid, bro. He's playing he has a playlist of songs that was updated 4 days ago where it was literally just theme songs from fucking movies, bro.
Bro, isn't just ripping packs like literally opening cases?
Oh, pretty much, bro.
Shinobi's arch nemesis is a 10-year-old.
Dude, dead ass.
Bro, Shinobi's biggest haters are legit like in middle school. That's fire.
How long does it take Apex Pass to hit your account? It takes like 3 to 7 business days. It actually takes a little bit, but they end up getting there.
Bro, look, you want to size into this trade, bro. Am I genuinely tweaking?
Might be. I don't like this candle formation right now.
Really? This looks like it's about to rip higher to me.
I mean, I hope it rips higher on longs. But yeah, guys, if you guys didn't get filled, remove your limit. Don't try to get filled again.
Shit, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I would just chase this bitch, bro.
That's you. Now we know your character.
If you guys aren't in this, bro, I'd genuinely chase this shit. I don't know why, but like, I mean, you'd still be risking like 15 points, damn near. If you didn't get filled, you're risking 15 points.
Yeah, I just wouldn't want people pacing when my fill is so much better. When I have 0 risk, I don't
Bro,
want
your risk or your limit, you're like 15 points of profit. Damn, I feel like I feel like
yesterday. Did you take the payout like I told you to?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
What did you just get?
We pulled an EV SIR.
I don't know what that
Only
is.
took me $1,500 worth of packs to pull a $300 card, bro. Where the fuck are my sleeves at? Holy shit. Let's fucking go, dude. Let's fucking go. Hold on. I need to find my top loader. Holy shit.
Wait, what did you just pull? He pulled a like an electric vehicle?
No, EV, like EEVEE. You never played Pokemon Go?
Bro said I pulled a E.
Yo, we fucking did it. One day go, we did it. We did it. No fucking way, bro. I have the Flareon and I have the EV now. Oh my god, dude, if it was the Umbreon, I literally would have smacked Eddie in the face with my dick, bro. I swear to god, I would have.
Someone said, wait, how much is that card worth?
I'm about to check right now.
I like the Pokemon. It's
3-4 shits, bro. We're done with your shit
no,
ass jokes, bro.
It's called
Your recycled ass jokes.
It's called
You done?
Yeah, hold on.
No, just say this card's 195 ungraded and
Wait.
$700 graded.
What you need to try to get is Big Dick B.
Everybody knows that's Big Dick B. What happened to being original?
Yo, you listen to Lil Baby?
Gave the homie $1 General Prismatic ETV and he pulled Umbreon. No fucking way he pulled the Umbreon, bro. And you just gave it to him? That's like 15. It's 700 if it's a 10, and then 200 ungraded. And I already have the Flareon. Oh, I just dropped all the.
Oh, and there goes a PSA 10 down to a PSA 7.
No. I have that in the top loader. I dropped the other cards that I just opened from the pack.
And now it's worth shit.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I can't believe I pulled that finally, dude. I actually don't even know. Like, dude, I want the Umbreon so bad. Like, I really don't care about the Eevee or the Flareon. This is fucking crazy.
That's Big Dick B.
My stream card now.
Oh, beautiful 15-minute close, honestly. Very beautiful if we can push higher. Like to see this break out of this.
Alright.
Everybody know that's Big Dick D. Big DD.
Big Eddie.
Chat, if you guys were to get an apartment, what would be the priority for you guys? Would it be the view, the location, having a balcony, the amenities, or saving money?
Yo, guys, do you think it's worth it to open this Paldean Fates? Or do I just keep it sealed with my 151 shit? I think low-key I might keep it sealed. What do you guys think? Genuinely speaking. don't like bullshit me, you know. Eddie
That's
talking like he's Elon Musk, bro. Eddie thinks he matters.
Why is the energy
What
so
if the
negative
Umbreon is in
tonight?
there? The Umbreon can't be in there. That's not the bag. That has the Bubble Mew in it.
Bro, I gambled one time on stream yesterday, and everyone's talking about Eddie gamble. Yeah, shit's holding.
Bro.
It's alright though. We might have to sit.
I say F it. You only live once, gang. Bro, you're so right. You're so right, bro. Like, what am I gonna do save a $200 sealed pack for, bro? I'm fucking Shinobi signals, bro. Fucking the fuck? I don't even know what the chase cards are on this this one, guys. I'm gonna be completely honest. I gotta low-key like figure that out before I start ripping them.
I do think we
So we're
closed
gonna
bearish
see-
on the daily candle though. I don't think I can there's some Patrick Wheeler music, I know, bruh. Shit's ass.
Bro, so much trash here.
Remember when Shinobi gave a millionaire like 6K? Yeah.
Who said that? Some dude in your chat?
Yeah.
Do people forget like I have money? Like I can do shit like that if I want to, bro.
Bruv. Holy sh... Oh, I thought Primal Trade had his camera on. I was like, whoa.
Alright, hold on. Let's see the top chase cards.
Oh god, Jordy's about to enter longs.
Late ass entry.
And Trades is in longs. Let's go. We're bound to win,
Oh,
bro.
he probably started stream just now after the long started working.
No,
though.
bro. He's been in longs for a minute, too. I can't lie. He's been in longs since,
Oh,
5, 6,
shout out
6. Yeah, shout out Ant, bro.
Loki was just hating. Alright, so the top chases. The Mimikyu. Shiny Ultra Rare Mew X.
Are you muted, bro? Can't hear a thing. You just gotta refresh the stream.
Charmander Shiny Rare. Ditto Shiny Rare. So any of these white cards are pretty good. Gardevoir, Charizard EX, and the Bubble Mew, bro. If we pull a Bubble Mew, bro, I would be so happy. All the other cards are like, It's honestly not, like, if you're not pulling the Bubble Mew, it's not even worth opening this pack. But we already opened it. We only live once. The dude convinced me. He said, you only live once, Shinobi. Why are you being a bitch? And I said, you have a very great point. Shinobi, tips to pass the buffer on a 150k TPT account. Dude, you got a full port. Low-key, it's terrible advice, but that's literally what you have to do. Alright, first time opening Paldean Fates. Hopefully we get a Bubble Mew. If we pull a Bubble Mew, I'll actually be so happy.
Guys, I'm feeling super degenerate. I want to add here. I'm going to add 3 more to this position.
Order filled.
Bro, why is that so loud?
Alright, nothing out of the first pack.
Holy fuck. Okay, wow. Worst ad of my life.
Can you just keep your can you keep your mouth shut when you're talking about adding, bro? Like, why do you have to add? Like, bro, what did you, this is you. The market makers literally just used you and your followers as liquidity just now. Buy 30 to 50k Discord. What's wrong with you? Why would I buy a Discord? Bro probably has a Discord up for sale for 30K or can broker one and wants to like stroke my ego to get me to buy it. I'm good. All right, I think we got something decent here. We got a shiny rare.
How do I turn down the volume of my Tradeify?
Talking about Discord OG usernames, because no one sees the Discord username anyway. They always see the nickname, bro. I have a crazy Telegram app and an Instagram app. I have @drug on Instagram, then I have a crazy Telegram app. But I'm not gonna say which Telegram app because people are weird and they're gonna try
Applications,
stealing
settings, preferences, notifications. Bro, why is this so loud, bro? You don't understand how loud it is.
Just mute it overall.
How?
Top left, you see like the little like side to side thing next to the URL? Just click that and hit mute audio.
Oh,
I think we have something good on this pack. Regular Gardevoir EX. Boring! When was the last time you trade options? A few weeks ago. I usually just swing options nowadays.
Oh god, guys, Mr. Huss is back.
Oh shit, we pulled a Charizard. But it's the Charizard EX, isn't the SIR. That's cool.
I already
What's your
muted
TP? 710. Oh shit, we pulled another shiny rare. Oh shit, whoa, that was a double hitter. We pulled a shiny rare and then a Palafin, secret rare. Stick. Bro, I have so much trash to clean up. Isn't drug on IG bin? It's DRRG. I saw NQ for sale on Discord. Bro, someone had Take Profit Trader for sale on Discord. Oh! Oh, we just pulled some cool shit, I think. Toad Scroll. Shiny rare. Type shit. But the thing with all that sort of stuff, Alex, the issue is like, bro, so many nerd ass motherfuckers are in the comm, like, that'll literally like either scam you out of an ad or they'll like somehow manipulate it to get it. Like, people literally like take down IGs if someone has an ad. Like, if you get a really cool ad, you have to deactivate your IG and all that sort of stuff, bro. It's like you don't even get to really use it. Oh my god. Oh, hold on. Second best card. We pulled the fucking Charizard SIR, and I have the other Charizard SIR right. No fucking way, dude. Look at that shit. No fucking way we just pulled that. Dude. Holy fuck. Oh my god, dude, that's rare as fuck. Hold on. We're about to get stop break even. I don't even care. Bro. That's sick as fuck. Wait, let me see how much that card's worth. That's not the Umbreon, Caesar. We haven't pulled a top chase yet. Oh my god, this card's $300 and 900 of grit. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Yo guys, how's the portfolio looking? For Pokemon cards. That is insane. We just pulled that shit. We still have 3 packs left. Bro, Paldean Fates, W fucking set, bro. There's actually hits in here on like fucking Prismatic. Guys, we'll do an eval giveaway later today. Whoa! Oh my god! Dude, there's no way we could keep getting away with this. No way. I'm pretty sure that's one of the top chases, the shiny rare Pikachu. Wow. There's no way we could keep getting away with this. We have 1 pack left, too. Bro, Bubble Mew. Last pack. Bro, look at the charts. What's me looking at the charts gonna do? I'm already in a trade, bro. I said, look at the charts, bro. Look at them yourself, bro. What do you want me to do? Make the market go up somehow? I can't do that. I'm in my trade. I'm break even. And I'm going to let it do what it wants to do. All right. By the way, Jordy absolutely top ticked this blong, by the way. All right, guys. Last pack with the boys. Shiny Mew for the last pack, bro. Dude, what? Dude, that cannot be real. Oh my gosh. Dude, how did we just pull that? I wish it was the Bubble Mew. Oh, this card's not that crazy. It's only 233 graded 10, but still, that's sick. That's a fucking sick card. It's gonna go in my Mew collection. Holy shit. Bro, if only you guys could see the mess I've made on the desk, bro. Holy shit. Yo, I flexing in Eddie's face. What did I do? Bro, Eddie makes fun of me for opening up Pokemon cards. I finally am hitting.
No, I don't.
Now.
No, I fucking don't.
You always make fun of me, bro. You called me a little kid, and you said that I'm a bitch, and then you said that your dad makes more money than me. And I was like, damn. I was like, damn.
Fake allegations, bro. No, I'm just chilling, man.
Bro,
I genuinely don't remember the last time I hit a winning trade. Last Friday.
I think I had a pretty sick winning trade last night, like 4 times in a row. I can't believe we pulled that Charizard though. Oh my god, this Pikachu's worth $600 if this is a 10. Bro, we just banked. All the money we lost on Prismatic, we just made back on Paldean Fates. That's insane. Wow. That is insane. That is actually wild. All right, yo, guys, let me do this. Let me clean this shit up, and then we'll run a LOL beans for some evals. Sound good? For some Lucid accounts. Type 1 in the chat and drop a like if you guys are down for that. Because now I'm in a good mood. Are you ever looking to buy singles? I like pulling them. All right, bet we'll do that. Let me just let me get the trash bag and clean up a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Low key, I'll even try buys here if we get stopped. I'll be back.
Yeah, I'm gonna mute him until he gets back, or if he like tags me. I moved my stop loss, bro, because of like this original stop loss isn't even supposed to get break even. Like we never broke structure to the top side. Like the stop loss would be here. Like this is what invalidates the trade technically. But we're trading the balance right now. We're trying to trade like stop loss, or we're trying to trade like the balance, which makes me like a little annoyed because it's like this is what invalidates my trade. You know what I'm saying? So I wish I never added and just kept my stop loss here and just accepted the risk. But it's whatever. Yeah, no wick on the 30. I mean, the good news is that this is the bottom wick of the 15. If anything, this is the beginning of the 15. So if we start to flip, it looks good for us. But yeah, the 5, we got a 3 bar right here. That wasn't great. This little segment right here was not great for us. But we had the same thing here where we had that 3 bar and then a massive wick down before we got that next move up. So you really just don't want to get stopped out. Again, like this is where your trade becomes invalidated. But like I'm just not, I don't know if I'm willing to risk 20 points. It's like 24 points across 8 micros. Just doesn't feel right. I mean, 24 times 2 times 8. Yeah, it's about $384 risk. Yeah, you could always get back in, but like the problem with this is, like, say you get wicked out here, it's hard to chase that trade back in, right? Like you might as well just put your like if you plan on getting back in, you would just chase your stop. Like you would have to chase it. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes I just like doing that where, I don't know. What's good, Eddie? I'm not going to even lie. I didn't even go to the gym. I took a fucking nap. But I don't know. I feel like I don't know if you guys noticed. I stopped making like those daily videos because I stopped going to the gym in the morning. My sleep schedule has been like really bad at night because I went to Dallas. I'm not a man of excuses, but like the things that like were just going on in my life at the time, I was just like, my sleep schedule just did not align with like a normal sleep schedule. Like I was in Dallas and then I traded London like 2 or 3 nights in a row. I traded some deep Asia sessions. You just put on a hoodie to try to trick us? No, I did not. I wasn't trying to trick y'all. But yeah, I don't know. I always have my hood up now because I don't know. I feel like I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I went to the gym because I thought you did, but okay. Hey, well, hopefully that was some motivation. No, I mean, I don't know, man. But yeah, I don't know. I've been feeling pretty out of it. Definitely not ideal, but yeah, I know I should be doing something else besides being on the charts. I don't know, bro. Like, I ask myself that a lot too. Like my friend told me a quote the other day. Money is, and I want to make a YouTube video about this because I don't know, it's weird because I like making videos about like analogies or like not even motivational stuff, but stuff to like make you like look at your life, because it helps me like reflect on mine. And then what I like is like you get a lot of different comments. Like you get people who comment against you, people who comment with you, and then you kind of get to hear other people's points. But the idea is just like money is like water. Like when you don't have money, and it's not like I never had, like didn't have money like that, but like I didn't have like good money for myself, but money's like water, right? Like when you don't have it, that's all you can think about. Like all you can think about it is getting water. But like once you have water, it should be the thing that you no longer think about it. And it's the same with money. Like you should stop thinking about it as much. I don't know, just like a thought. Yeah, I know. The first 30 to 40 minutes, I know. A lot of people have like a lot of good tips for me, but I don't know. But what's really weird about that analogy I just made is, even though like I am very like comfortable now, like not that I wasn't comfortable before, but I have like money myself, right? It's nice. But I don't know. I'm still just like so fixated on it. Like trying to like achieve things. And I think like now, because I don't really have like a set goal, like obviously my goal is just to make as much money as possible. But at the beginning of the year, my goal my goal is still 100K. Like I want to make 100K from trading. Like, I don't know. Why you get banned on TikTok? They think I'm like 13. Is it looking like a double top? No, not yet. Why don't you pick up a hobby like shooting or something? Eddie, just know we here for you as well, bro. Nah, for sure. You guys, like, I mean, I really, like, bro, I say it. I don't know if I've said it enough recently, but I really do appreciate you guys. It does mean a lot, like, being able to stream to you guys every night. I feel like, I don't know. I don't want to be the one to, like, complain about my situation, or like, I don't know, be like in a down mood when I'm I'm probably more blessed than most people who have to go to a 9 to 5, etc., etc. Like I get to just hang out, chat, trade. Hold on, give me 1 second, guys. I'm telling you, you should really stop trading support and resistance levels because you guessing when the move's going to come. Like, I'm being serious. Study ICT to the advance. People say he's a joke, and I thought the same. But when you really study him, these price moves are time scheduled. No, very valid. I don't trade support and resistance. Meanwhile, I'm still trying to get my first payout. Yeah. Yeah, there's a massive volume imbalance here on MNQ. But low key, or on NQ, but low key, NQ always has these like volume imbalances, especially like late at night. NQ and gold like will have like these massive volume imbalances. You don't want to like pay. I at least for me, like I don't think you have to pay much attention to it. There's always going to be kind of like these volume imbalances, but maybe I'm wrong on that. But yeah, there's this volume imbalance at 577. Not a glitch. I followed Turbo yesterday and lost 2% of drawdown. Today I only have 3% left. I got to recover. These markets aren't random. If you understand the importance of time, you'll know when the next move is coming. Nah, definitely. For sure, man. I appreciate the advice. I agree. I do think time. So how I incorporate time into my strategy. So here's my big thing, Mr. Professor 099. Would you say ICT is the only strategy that works then? Eddie, I'm gonna go play a siege match. All right, bet. Because the people who say like, hey, you need to trade this or you need to trade that, and like you'll do better and you'll do this and get this and do that. Like I've been trading the same strategy on NQ for a while now, and it's done me pretty well, for the most part. And most ICT traders I know right now are actually struggling. So it depends on the type of ICT you're trading. I think whatever strategy makes sense to you, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, maybe it's time to like reevaluate after you've tested it out. But I completely disagree with people who say you need to trade this in order to be successful. I just think it's absolute bullshit. Because yeah, it just doesn't make sense. I started using your supply and demand levels and your fib levels as confluences, but I still use ICT. Yeah, that's perfect, man. Well, no, it's all about risk management, but when you incorporate ICT concepts, it gets very scary how accurate you can get. No, very valid, very valid. So, I mean, what I would do if I was you, I mean, I would continue on that journey of, you know, if you're very accurate with your ICT concepts and your trading strategies, you know, I mean, obviously I would scale your trading as much as possible, make as much money as you can off of your strategy, because clearly it's very accurate. And then from there, like if you want to be able to generate more wealth, like look to, you know, sell that information or like go and stream that information for free. So it's like one or the other. If your whole thing is like, well, I'm not going to sell a course because I want to give it away for free. All right, stream. All right, well, if you don't want to stream it, then like don't stream it. Then like, do you really want to show people? If you're not really about showing people, it's all good. Like go spread that knowledge and that wealth through communities. But I think going into communities and being like, oh, if you guys started trading my strategy, you'll start doing better. Or if you start, you know, I don't know. It just doesn't really make much sense to me, but people who say they're struggling are the ones who haven't watched all the videos. I mean, yeah, it's kind of like if you believe in it or not. If you don't believe in ICT, you don't believe in ICT. It is what it is, right? It's like if I believed in a certain religion and you didn't believe in my religion, I'd be like, well, say like hypothetically, say I believed in Jesus Christ, right? And you didn't. And I was like, well, all right, well, just go read the entire Bible. It's long for a reason. You'd be like, well, I don't really believe in it. I'm not going to go read the Bible. Okay, well then it is what it is. Me pushing it onto you, you know, it doesn't make sense. This trade reminds me of the one you were going to make 10K and ZZ telling you to close. Yeah. I think all strat works. You just have to be consistent with it. Yeah, for sure. I think if you actually have like if you have a specific model or a strategy, I mean, trade it. And then it is risk management. Like, how you manage your risk is actually how you'll do, I guess. I don't know. If you don't have accounts to take trades on, your risk management shit. Just trying to give you advice, time, then price. No, for sure. I appreciate the advice, man. I requested my third payout from Apex today. If I didn't come across your TikTok, I wouldn't know about prop firms or future trading. Hey, that's kind of fire. Yeah, future trading is... I mean, when I found out about it, I struggled, but I was like, bro, I need to make this work because the opportunity is just absurd, bro. To be able to leverage someone else's... Well, to be able to leverage fake capital to create actual capital is crazy. Thoughts on this trade as of right now? So much liquidity everywhere. I feel like it's 50-50. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Like, again, if like right now, I'm not going to lie, bro. This should be a no trade zone. I mean, again, we see the chop. It's very bad. There's liquidity to the downside. There's liquidity to the top side, right? So you have resting liquidity below. There's all of it. It's everywhere, for sure. Let's just mark out some of it. So like, you can just see that there's clearly a lot of internal liquidity everywhere, right? This is all pretty much internal liquidity. This is still internal liquidity because if we drop up to like a much higher time frame, like what is this move? It's not much going on here. We're clearly just price is not doing much. So the trade is not great. It's not an ideal trade. Now, for me, like if we swept like an actual good high right here, right? Say we swept a high here and then we broke structure to the downside. That's perfect for me because that's my exact model of you sweep a prominent high, external liquidity, or like a session high. And then on top of that, there's like an SMT. That's even better. Typically, those are the three things, like sweeping a prominent high, SMT on NQ and ES, and then a break of structure is your confirmation on the 5-minute because you want some sort of consolidation before you get that break of structure. And then you're marking out your fib levels and you're waiting for a retest into the golden pocket. So right here was that retest of that golden pocket. So this is like ideally where I would have shorted from. And I actually considered shorting it because I was like, wait, this doesn't look half bad. It doesn't look half bad because, you know, I am short biased about the same risk, about 20 points, 23 points. And then like, there's not really much targets. Like you can target this low, you could target coming back in, tapping into this wickless gap right here, right? So there's like a lot of decent targets to the downside, but it's not big. Like we're not going to come and fucking dump this shit, but we most definitely will have some sort of rebalance to the downside, if not reversals. But for me, it's just like my big thing here, like I think like once price comes up and breaks out this high, I mean, I just wish this was a prominent high here. There's just no prominent high for us to sweep. I don't believe there was an SMT on ES. Maybe there fucking was. No, there wasn't. So there's no real SMT on ES either. So it's just not like there's one confluence that's missing on that for us to take this retracement and then take the shorts there. That's like my bread and butter NQ trade. But I'm not gonna lie, like I've been faked out by it a lot as of recent. Like as of recently, if it's not a prominent high and you try to just take it off of a break of structure and then a retrace, almost every time it's just ran back to the fucking highs. And it's just because, I mean, when I say recently, it's been literally like New York session and Sunday Asia session. So it was pretty rough. So my last 2 times I've ran like the similar model on NQ, I've just gotten faked out. But it's also like, this is our price action when I was getting stopped out on this model. Like we were sweeping these prominent highs and like low key, we never actually really got like a really good break of structure. But like right here was a prime example. Like we took out this high. And you would think after we take out that high, we sweep it, you'd want some sort of retracement. Your retracement level was actually right here. Like it'd be I guess right here. Right? You got that break of structure, 2 break of structures, because if you're like, oh, that wasn't a big enough break of structure, you just wait for the next one. That's for sure a break of structure, for me at least. And then the retrace is right here, and you would long it and then take, or you'd short it and then take this. And this was actually a really like decent trade, but then you just get fucking ran. So instead of waiting for that, I kind of jumped the gun here, I think, on this one, because I thought this was the break of structure. This is literally a trade I took earlier today, and I went break even on it. But price action was pretty shitty. This one was just like, I think this was purely a level here. And that one instantly got ran through. But yeah, so I've just gotten absolutely destroyed on them recently. So yeah, new 4-hour does come out in 4 minutes here. This 4-hour didn't really do much. I honestly am considering getting out of this trade fully and then just waiting for a better setup, because I'd rather not risk capital, and the price action is just not ideal for me. So I'm trying to think of if I just missed the whole run, I'd be pretty upset, but I mean, it's better than losing money, right? Securing myself like at least like not red. Because this just isn't the best price action, and like shorts are valid here, longs are valid here. Shorts are probably like what you want to take more so, but I thought bro was in a trade for a sec. I am in a trade. Yeah, it probably is a good idea for my mental. Yeah, we're definitely failing to create new highs, but this is all, it's creating LRL. So I do think this run will come. I really do think this run will come. It's just a matter of like, when do we get it? We're going to probably have to sweep these lows down here. And that's why I'm like, damn, do I just get out now? Or do I believe that this run is about to come? Because I believe all of this is about to get taken out. But again, like you'd most likely see some sort, like this is kind of all accumulation for the most part. And you'd probably see some sort of manipulation to the downside. And then we would come back up, because I actually do have this as my target. Like I think this will get hit at some point. When that gets hit, I'm feeling a lot better about taking shorts to the downside. And that might be a London trade. But yeah, we would really like to just see this. It's like, are we going to take out this liquidity? Right now, we're obviously, there's this clear like bearish trend that is just absolutely rocking our world, right? So but this is all kind of accumulation to me. Obviously, if you look at the 4-hour, the 1-hour, you can tell that this is accumulation. So there's going to be some sort of manipulation into a gap, like an untapped touch gap, like down here. We might tap into this gap down here before we look to get continuation up. Kind of like a rebalancing move to the downside, manipulation to the downside before we continuing up. So like maybe the shorts aren't the best idea, or the longs aren't the best idea right now. But again, it's just kind of like a no trade zone. So I agree. I think it's going to sweep before it goes up. And so my stop's not in the best spot, but I'd like to try to get a better trade. I might just eat this $70 loss across these accounts and look for a better trade. Had the opportunity to get out pretty much break even or even up a little bit, and I didn't take it, but yeah, it's right next to, yeah. You mean sell side liquidity, but yeah. Yeah, it could be a 4-hour sweep. I'm kind of flipping the coin here. I'm rolling the dice here. It's buy, no, Eddie, or am I tweaking? I mean, it's both, right? Like you see, like look at my chart. It's a fucking mess. But look, there's all this internal liquidity, right? There's liquidity on both sides right now. We're in an obvious accumulation period. We have a break of structure to the downside, and we failed to break structure back to the upside, like except for right here. But this kind of fucking sucked. But that was kind of what the trade idea was. Like we got this like almost like a fake break of structure. It's like a fake out. But because we don't have a prominent break of structure or a prominent sweep, this makes me think that this is just like a retracement, a rebalance, whatever. And then we get a break of structure back to the top side. Or a change in state of delivery after manipulating these lows. change in state of delivery, change in state of delivery, like whatever you want to call it. And then there's your fucking longs, right? But it's just really choppy right now. So honestly, anyone who thinks that they know if it's going to go up or down, I just think is wrong. I think this is honestly a coin flip. The people who say this is a no trade, I think are correct. Like if you really wanted to trade, then like I guess you have to pick a side. But in my opinion, I think we're not for sure where it's going to go, but most likely, in my opinion, it's probable that it goes down before it goes back up. So we are looking to probably exit this position if you guys are still in it. But new 4 hour just opened here. This new 4 hour is going to do a lot. Maybe if this is like, again, if we get this sweep here, I'm very happy with this sweep here. And that's breaking it to the top side before we come back down. But low key, if we're going to go down, I don't think we break structure to the top side. We would come down and sweep all of these stop losses before we come back up. Oil begging for a long ski? Is oil begging for a long ski? I mean, I'd love to see oil continue lower here for sure. This is the 4 hour. What a pretty prominent dump here. Did this retrace to the 50%? Okay, so I mean that looks still pretty heavy on the 4 hour, which is good for us. The hourly candle. We never took out these lows right here on oil. Definitely a decent area that oil could start looking to come and start pushing back higher. Oh, oil also just finally filled its gap. So oil just filled its gap, huh? It's interesting. Oil just filled that gap from yesterday. That massive fucking gap up. Oil just filled it. It literally filled it and instantly started pushing. Yeah, holy fuck. Like damn near to the tick, it filled the gap and then... And it's creating a lot of bullish price action right here. And then it started chopping back out. There's your manipulation leg, sweeping all the lows. You get your retracement. Yeah, I mean, you could be right about that. Yeah, this PA sucks. Been shorts for an hour and a half for no movement. Yeah, I mean, shorts could play though. Bro, honestly, both sides could play. It's quite a shitty trade. I mean, look at these candles. These candles are fucking dog shit. For the last... We've been in a 15-point range for the last 37 minutes. For the last 30 minutes. So yeah, not ideal. What do you press for the blue square? Shift. Definitely are failing to make these highs. All we need to do really is to see one of these get grabbed. If one of these can get grabbed, bro, we're either going to sweep it and continue lower, or we are going to just start flying through them, which is what I really want to see, obviously, because we're in longs. So I'd love to see this. Like, the thing is, we haven't grabbed anything down here yet. So I'd love for this to just fucking go. Say fuck it. We don't need any of this down here. Just boom, boom, boom. Like that Trump tweet yesterday this morning. Bro, let's get one of those, bros. Ceasefire. You're not tired anymore? I took a nap. Enter shorts at 4798. Oh, I'm on NQ right now. Yeah, I think just one high being taken would be quite nice. But then that makes me even more nervous that we're gonna take a high and then just sweep it and dump. Just me or market kind of ass, brother. It is not just you. I mean, look at this. Look at this shit. Maybe a push, bro. We can only hope. We can only hope. We are chopping between the EMAs. We've been chopping between the EMAs for a while now. Typically, when you see chop between EMAs, you just gotta hope and pray you're on the right side of the trade, because typically you see an explosive move when it breaks out. So like when I used to trade options, this right here is considered just like a wedge, right? I'm not gonna like get too much into it, but it's an obvious wedge here. So eventually it's gonna break out and then it runs the wedge. Like the wedge, this is I don't even know what the fuck you call it, but in options, like for us, like candle stick patterns or whatever, like a wedge is like you're looking for a breakout on one side or the other. And so the second you get that breakout, it's just whoom. Or you could even call this a bullish flag. For the people who trade flags, this is a bullish flag, if you will. It's gonna drop, brother. All right, brother. Also, I noticed you sized down. Good on you. Oh. We are in currently 88 micros. All right, so let's see how we react to this high, this internal. It's a very small internal high, but finally we've taken a high. 11 accounts, yeah. We grabbed this most recent high that we created. I'd like to just see it. Boom, 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 boom. Just straight through them all. You should go break even. Yeah, potentially. But, I mean, we're not even really in profit, man. We're 8 points in profit. You gotta have a little bit of balls when you're trading this. I don't know. I'm just hoping we're on the right side. Yeah, this could be accumulation, manipulation. But the manipulation will have to tag into a higher time frame, like, gap that hasn't been tapped into, and low-key there's like no gaps on the top side, so like I don't know what we'd really manipulate into, to be quite honest with you. All these gaps have been touched, so there's really no gap for us to manipulate into, and there's really no like liquidity that we're manipulating or sweeping. How long it take to receive money to bank from Apex? About 3 to 5 days. 15-minute order block up top. I mean, yeah, that'd be beautiful, bro. If we came all the way up here to manipulate, motherfucker, I'll be majority out. Yeah, get me the fuck out of the trade, man. If we can manipulate up here, brother, I'd love to see us sweep this high. Sweep that fucking high as manipulation. I'll like, bro, I'd love that. Yeah, let's do that. Do you guys hate when I have 2 P&Ls up? Because this is like where I added. Low-key a super shitty ad, but should I just close one of these P&Ls and then drag this up? To like here like that. Type shit. Shinobi is asking about you? Oh, here, I can unmute. I mean... We still have this 15-minute gap here that we couldn't inverse earlier. Would love to see this 15-minute gap get inversed. That would give me confidence to take out the next high and hopefully get continuation. But this might be our first bullish candle we actually might get. Tell Shinobi I unmuted. Dude, consistency rule has been cooking me. Made 2.5k first day. Now to get a payout, I have to make 6k. I've had over 10 winning days and stuck at 54.5k. Wait, what account are you on? Oh, man. What a wickadaisical. This would be the accumulation highs, I would say. So if we swept these accumulation highs, that's where now I'm looking for some sort of base hit secured that day. Nice. I don't want to move to break even yet because I don't even know if I'm happy with this yet. Realistically, this is like, I think this is 250. Yeah, so right here would be our winning day. If we can take out those highs. So we're just really waiting for that right now. Yeah, yeah, it surely would be sad if I got a loss now. I guess you're right about that. I would be also very sad to have sat through this trade to get break even before reaching full TP. I mean, we're breaking structure back to the top side. I wouldn't move break even necessarily, but I definitely can put my stops at these lows now. Like, that's a for sure guarantee, right? Because if we start coming back down, we just need to somehow manage this risk. I'm just trying to think, like, if we do sweep this, we're probably not going to go higher without sweeping out this low. So it's really more so like, let's look to take profit at some point, right? Yeah, the zero retracement on the day is pretty sus. I'm pretty sure this daily will end very bearish. I can't even lie. I believe this will end this candle will end bearish. But I believe we need to come a little bit higher. I got fucked over on Tradeify. I reset my eval account, but it's not popping up on my dash. Got any advice? I mean, it should. Or just contact support. Tradeify support's pretty good. So if you get like 300 on the trade, that's 3,000. It'd be like about 3,300, yeah, on the day. Yeah, if this high gets taken, I'll for surely be broke even. Because it means either I take a winning day, like I either have the option, like at this point, at this high, for me, it's going to be either I just take my full profit and say, fuck it. Am I happy with my full profit and take a winning day? Or do I want to just take break even? Like I'm either taking break even or the winning day. So I kind of have to choose one or the other. And that just depends on the confidence of the trade that I have. But right now, I'm not going to lie, I'm not too confident in the trade. But I still want to give it some space to breathe for the most part. Take the W. Well, yeah, it would have to be 250 plus. I'm currently up about 16. So here's the really interesting part about this. When you're trading Apex, you almost want to go for you almost have to hit like 10K days when you're trading 10 accounts. Because that's about $1,000 per account. For me, it's like, I don't need the $1,000 days, but I at least need to make sure I secure my winning day on the account. I lost about $600 per account this morning. Or $700 per account. So I lost about $4,900 this morning. So I'm not trying to make it all back tonight. That's for sure. I don't want to make it all back tonight. Like, is it possible we could? Yeah, for sure. But I don't want to make it all back tonight. That's not the goal. The goal is to at least just catch my winning day, because then that means my one account that just got the 4 accounts that just got the payouts and the 4 accounts that are very close to a payout will only need like whatever I profit is what I can kind of take home. Anything above the buffer. So I just need to catch this last winning day across these 4 accounts, and then we'll call it. But yeah, I want to give this thing some space to run for sure. New 15, new 15. Very good bullish close on that 15. We had a very good bullish close on this 15 too. Like this was a really good close on the 15. Next 15 wasn't terrible, but like I will say this 15 will really tell us a lot. So if we take out this high and we don't close above this wick, I will look to potentially just close out of the trade fully. I'm pretty much reading candlesticks at this point. I want to read candlesticks. So you have a shooter right here, very good shooter, very bullish candle right after. You have a 2 bar. So we break the top and we close above the top wick. So we're reading candlesticks for the most part. Maybe this is cope, but because that's the strategy I learned on gold, it's very easy. That's how I read price action for the most part. So we want to see continuation of like, we had an inside bar break here to the downside because we had the mother bar, but you really want to get off the 1 minute when you're looking, like trying to read these candlesticks, I believe. At least that's what I think. What is the buffer on Apex? 2100. Pretty shitty price action still though. If we can continue bouncing off the EMAs, we're good. I snagged a Lucid case entering random codes. That's crazy. Yeah, this doji on the 4 hour is pretty insane too. For sure. Again, you guys see my targets for the most part. Like, we obviously want way more, right? So, I'd like to see this continue higher. We have some high goals, high expectations. So after taking a payout on Apex, do you always have to have the buffer, or is it just the first payout? Yeah, so like when I took the payout, my balance goes back to 2100 profit. That's all that's left in the account in a sense. And then I can take payouts anytime I'm above the buffer and I have 5 winning days. So like ideally you stack 250 winning days, like 250, 250, 250. That's 750 alone right there that you can withdraw. Like pretty much after a payout on Apex, if you just have 5 winning days, like 5 good days of trading, you're almost most likely able to rinse out like the entire balance pretty much. But there are payout caps. That's the problem. But when you have 10 accounts, 2K payouts, max payout, you know, if you have 10 accounts, that's 20K. But for me, like that, the crazy part is if I had my 10 Apex accounts and I traded the way I traded back when I was like on a heater on Lucid, when I got my payouts on Lucid, which I have like 12K on Lucid, I would probably have about when I went on that heater, I mean, I probably would have like 30K in payouts on Apex. That's like the strength of copy trading in Apex. Remember this comment? All right, Antrim, I got you. Okay, we never took out this high here. We are starting to reject. We never closed above on ES. Not a big problem. First 7 minutes of the new 15. So ideally, this is just the bottom wick for the 15. If we close all the way back down here, I mean, at that point, I might as well just look to close. We will see what this 15 minute has to give us. What this 15 has to offer. I mean, honestly, when I look at this chart, I wouldn't mind putting my stop below this. Now that we've swept. I mean, I still don't mind my stop. We're risking about 200, or we're risking about... Am I stupid, bro? Risking about 184 on this account. Obviously, we're copy trading across 11 accounts, so we're risking about 2K on this trade. We did have about a 1-to-1. We really need this 15 to flip because we don't like that. Again, remember this? I said if we break this high, we really need this to close above again. Really good 15-minute close on the last one because we had this fucking 3-bar. Broke to the downside and then we ripped up. So we really want to see this close above this wick. For an impatient person, I am trading such rage bait. Yeah, it's pretty rough, man. Oh, wait, we did have a double top on the 1 minute, huh? We're like relative equal highs right here. Yeah, Huss is still joining, bro. Holy shit. I don't know how many accounts this guy has, but he's like insane, bro. What an insane guy. I should have never let this guy into like my life. This guy has been just been a chaotic whirlwind. Nah, Huss genuinely put a curse on my ass, bro. I mean, yeah, that's crazy. I don't know how he has so many accounts. What's my stop loss if I put it here? 7 points, 14 times 8. Chat, what's 14 times 8? 132? 112. So we could really lower our risk by about $800 total if we just move our stop loss to here. Which I don't mind, but it's just problem that that's like literally liquidity. But also on the 15 minute, that's the bottom of the 15 minute. Which makes me believe... Which really do make me believe that if we... I mean, that'd be a 3-bar to the downside, which would be just absolutely detrimental to our trade. I can't lie. If this 15 can break to the top side and open high... And then low close all the way down here. I mean, that's pretty ridiculous. Yeah, I see the doji. I guess you missed my message. What'd you say, deity? You have your first stalker, not for real. I hope you're right, Rakudo. Rakudo. I was wondering, are you in need of any editor? I mean, I have an editing team at the moment. Someone just DM me on TikTok saying, get out now. I mean, it's just crazy, this price action. That's sad. This could have been the first bullish 15. That's crazy that we inverse this 15 to like just a bit. And then we fucking decided to just keep going lower. Pretty nuts, pretty nuts. I don't know, it's hard for me to short this market now until we take out like the high that we have above. Again, I want to really see how this 15 closes. We have 3 minutes. Doesn't look ideal right now. I mean, anything can happen. I mean, this is only a 13-point move, right? But pretty stable, just like right back down type shit. Is this where we're going to be streaming from now on? Yeah, for the most part. Am I tripping? You had 200 profit and it's across multiple accounts, so why didn't you secure it? $200 doesn't do anything for me. I need the winning day at least. So if I hit 250 on the accounts, you would have seen me at least consider moving break even and or just taking my profits. Honestly, at this point with how PA is, if I can secure the winning day, I'll take the winning day. But for me, like how I trade, even though like, yeah, 2K is very nice, you got to look at it long term of if like it's all hindsight, right? So when we were up here, your thoughts are, oh well, why sell it now? Why, like, yeah, right? So it's all greed. So for me, like when I see this price action, I'm like, oh, we're very bullish. Price looks very good for us to continue in normal price action. We're in a fucking range. So like you look at this, and this is just clearly we're in a massive range right now. A massive range. This range fucking blows. But you got to think about it like, what happens if you take your profits at 200 and then instantly, or like in the next 10 minutes, the next 2 candles are like massively bullish? Are you not going to be like, damn, why did I get out? Damn, should I get back in? Damn, where's my next trade? Damn, this, that, right? That's when the 200 no longer becomes enough for you. At least that's what I think on prop firms. So like for me on prop firms, and a winning day is the achievement for me. It's like I want to hit that milestone. I want to hit that level I need to hit. And then I feel accomplished, and I don't really need anything more than that. That's just me. Like if I hit my winning day, I'm like, all right, I hit my winning day. Plus the bonus is how much did I make. But for me, the winning day is key. Because that's what prop firms are. They force you to get winning days. You need the winning days. Without winning days, they're not going to give you payouts. Right? So it is kind of bad for us because I could have secured like 2,500 in profits. On a live account, 2,500 in profits, that's great. That's fantastic. But on a live account, to have made 2,800 off this trade right here, or however much it was, 2K, whatever, that's 88 micros. So it's almost 9 minis. To leverage 9 minis on a live account, bro, have fun risking 15 bands or having 15 bands to leverage. You'd still only lose like 2K of your live money, but you'd have to have so much money to leverage. How do you turn on the thing on Tradeify in top left corner? Talking about this. Will you do a giveaway? Yeah, if we bang on this trade, I'd love to do a giveaway for you guys. How's Apex? Is it not annoying to have a DLL? I mean, it's $1,000, man. If you're hitting daily loss limit, you're probably risking way too much, right? That means in 2 days, your account could be gone, which means you're risking $500 per trade if you take 2 trades per day. You don't think that's too much? Yeah, how do you turn that on? It's on Tradeify. You just come down here, and you just click like view settings, and you set the columns. Like right now, we're up $1,000, right? That's beautiful. But look, we're up $90 per account. That's not a lot. That's not much. That's nothing. We really need to see this thing print a little bit for us. Would you guys rather see the just the box of how much we're in, like the profit? Like we could do this too, I think. Hold on. Would you guys rather see this? Instead of like all of this right here. Your Bless is bouncing off the 705 nicely off the 1 minute. Not even bouncing off the 705. Do you use the 799 trading view? Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. What just happened to gold? Don't tell me gold is doing some fuck shit, bro. Alright, good. Because if gold dumps, NQ is going to follow it sooner or later. And yeah, I started prop firms early this year because of you, and I'm working on my way to my first 10K. Not much, but it's progress, I guess. Bro, that's beautiful. I mean, 10K is a lot of money. Bro, I'm drinking a Celsius at fucking 10:30 a.m. No wonder why my sleep schedule's fucked. No wonder why my sleep schedule is fucked. A Celsius at 10 is crazy. Bro, holy chopville, bro. I mean, like, not a bad 15-minute closure, but we had a failed 2 up. Now, like, what we really need to see is, like, this wick below this. We need to see the wick below this previous and then push back up on the 15. We have 11 minutes. We're almost most definitely going to wick below this. I would like to see that wick below, though. Would not be bad to see this wick below here. Because if we can wick below... Alright, we just double bottomed it. Yeah, we need to see that. We need to see that break it. And then we can do the same thing to the top side. Kind of how we had selling pressure there. Break it, fail 2 down, continue higher. Hopefully this is like a rebalancing move. Like, I don't know. Ideally what I see is you see these massive candles and you get rebalance. Massive candles, rebalance. Massive candle, rebalance. Massive candle, rebalance. Like, that's the kind of price action I guess we want, but... Did you see that comment I said about that dude talking shit? Wait, where... I might have missed it. Why are we longing? There's a lot of liquidity to the downside. Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity to the upside as well, right? Shorts have to play. Eventually, I think so. I had 5xf phase with top step and 3 days away from payout with minimum 1,500 each out, and I blew them last week. Yeah, man. It happens to the best of us. It's probably happened to a lot of the people in my chat. Especially this guy. Ugh. Only holding shorts, never buys now. Not dubs. It's so funny because now I just know who Mr. Huss is without him saying like, yo, it's me, Mr. Huss. Like, I just know who Mr. Huss is now. I'm surprised Trump talks about the ships at the Strait of Hormuz. Yeah, I agree. That's why I thought we were going to short all of yesterday. Memory ET was talking shit about you and Shinobi Turbo and Z. I was getting back at him for you. Wait, is he in my chat? I'm going to give you two mod. Type in just context. No, he was live. Oh, is he live right now still? I want to go watch. Can I have him mod and mute him? No, I know who you are, bro. Memory ET. What's his I got him a restriction, so he ended. Welcome to TikTok. I'm currently banned on it. Can't believe you believed him and that he had 10 mil. No, I mean, I just didn't want to start drama. So I always give people the... If people are like, yo, I'll show you 10 mil right now. Bro. I believe you then. Show me and I believe you. Simple as that. Show me some proof and I believe you, bro. Oh my God. $400 away from funded. Should I enter a trade tonight or wait till New York? Just whatever you've been doing to, you know. He was trying to say that all of you are copying him. Who is he? I always think back to that crypto guy. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be able to get him banned on TikTok hopefully soon. Bro, this is some atrocious fucking PA, bro. I can't even lie. Just absolutely atrocious. Absolutely fucking atrocious, yeah. Ban on the Freddy account too? No, I still got that. Just caught the long on MGC. Is MGC pushing back up? Nice. Nice. Oh my God, bro. You know this guy is just... Alright, bro. Yo, I can get you unbanned on TikTok. I have a guy that does all this stuff. Bet, yeah. I mean, is it gonna cost me money? Oh my God, bro. Yo, this guy is actually a freak, bro. Mods, if you see someone that has a dash and then their name ends like that, bro, please just ban him or just mute him for 24 hours or something. Holy fuck, this guy is 10 million just in my chat. Like, he also owes me a ban, bro. Bro, this PA is quite literally doing nothing right now. Holy. I couldn't find your live. I don't know why. Yeah, dude. It's just... Yeah. Oh, this guy DM'd me. Let's see. Wait, that's not Mr. That's not Mr. Huss. Jose Manuel is not Mr. Huss. Yeah, that's not Mr. Huss. That's one of my viewers, I think. But he does have a weird name. Rip Jose. Oh, okay, you just deleted the comment. That's good. No, you're good. You're good. Yo, Eddie, you just got down Siege, bruh. Fuck that shit. Rage quit. Yeah, bro. This PA is untradeable? Oh, brother, you're telling me, brother. Like, bro, look at this. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yo, good shit, The Last King. Good shit. Oh, I should put like a 10-minute. Yeah. Bro, he is actually committed to this shit. Am I tripping or was December PA better? Bro, this PA that we are experiencing right now is quite literally chop and then just an unbelievable move that you would be like, yo, who could have expected this move? You know what I'm saying? That is what this PA is. It's like we chop for like days or like a couple of fucking hours, and then out of nowhere it's just like, oh, here's a 50-point candle in a minute for you guys. Here, this ought to fucking put some panic into the market. Yeah, I wish I fucking also made my millions during better PA, but the good thing is, if we can figure out this PA, I'm sure when PA is a little bit better, we will get paid. So the biggest thing is do not blow all your money now. Blow your money when we get to a better price action point. Then maybe you can start looking to blow your money. We double topped on here on ES. And we never swept it here. If this is some sort of bullshit SMT, bro, I'm gonna freak out. Holy shit, bro. If you want to hit daily premium on NQ and then let it take a shit, yeah. I mean, daily premium would be like above these highs. Well, we're in. Oh, yeah, you would want it above like 604. I don't know. My big thing is I think like. Oh, wait, I didn't even mark this out right, bro. What the fuck? I don't know. Some bullshit right now that's happening, man. Some serious fucking bullshit. I can't even lie. Yo, Joe, bro. I love you, my boy, but please do not spam my chat, my guy. 2027 PA gonna be fire. I need NQ to come push up and take out this high. Then we will for sure come take out this high again. Or that's the third high right there. That's my like winning day. Bro, actually, how does this guy get so many? Like, holy fuck. How's he just spending his night doing this? It's like the weirdest thing ever. His last time 3 accounts ago. Bro, if he just wasn't weird, I would keep him unbanned. Holy fuck, he gets these accounts so quick. He's actually a legend, bro. Shout out Mr. Huss, bro. Legend. This guy's getting accounts like quicker than you could even think. Bro's a pro at making accounts. Maybe he is a millionaire, bro. He's just spamming. He's not even like really these are all like guest accounts or something. His accounts load faster than Turbo's evals. Yo, if my last payout on Alpha was a max payout on a 0 account and I have winning days, can I take my max payout again, or is it only my profit since last payout? I'm not actually sure with the 0. I think it's the total balance, I believe, if I'm not mistaken.